Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your headphones Beats Studio Pro from the application. And if I open Beats application, right here we have no button to remove these headphones from the app. So how we can do this? We have three options. The first one is turn off your headphones. So at the bottom of the left ear cup we have power button or system button. Just press and hold on it. We just turn off them, and now as you can see we have no devices in the application. But once you turn on them, your headphones will reconnect with your phone and these headphones return to the app. So now we should see it. And as you can see, then we can also disconnect them or unpair. So let's go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. And as I said, we have two options, disconnect or unpair. What the difference? When you select to disconnect, you will stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds, but leave them at the device list, and in the future you can reconnect them. So let's try. I disconnect. As I said, I stop Bluetooth connection with these headphones, but leave them at the device list, and I can easily reconnect them. But first let's check, is it removed it from the application. And yes, as you can see, we have no devices here. Now let's reconnect it. And the last option is to unpair, so we will totally remove these headphones from the phone. So we need to click forget or unpair or forget device button, it depends on the phone, and forget device. And now, as you can see, we also have no headphones in the application. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!